Describe yourself. My name is S. English, and I am a 12-year-old student. I have medium-length black hair and brown eyes. I like to wear casual clothes, usually jeans and t-shirts. I enjoy reading books and listening to music in my free time. I am friendly and like to spend time with my friends and family. What is your name? My name is S. English. Are you a teacher? No, I am a student. How old are you? I am 11 years old. Are you 10 years old? No, I am 11 years old. Who are you? I am a student named S. English. Are you an 11-year-old student? Yes, I am. What do you do? I study. I am a student. What kind of hair do you have? I have medium-length black hair. Is your hair long? No, it's medium length. What color are your eyes? My eyes are brown. Do you have blue eyes? No, I have brown eyes. Do you have black hair? Yes, I do. Is your hair short? No, it's medium length. What do you look like? I have black hair and brown eyes. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? I like to wear casual clothes. Do you wear jeans and t-shirts? Yes, I do. Do you like formal clothes? No, I like casual clothes. What clothes do you usually wear? I usually wear jeans and t-shirts. Do you like casual clothes? Yes, I do. Do you wear a suit? No, I wear jeans and t-shirts. What do you wear? I wear casual clothes. What do you enjoy doing? I enjoy reading books and listening to music. Do you like reading books? Yes, I do. Do you enjoy listening to music? Yes, I do. When do you do these things? In my free time. Do you enjoy watching TV? No, I enjoy reading books and listening to music. Do you enjoy these activities in your free time? Yes, I do. What do you do in your free time? I read books and listen to music. Are you friendly? Yes, I am. Do you like to spend time with your friends? Yes, I do. Who do you like to spend time with? I like to spend time with my friends and family. Do you spend time with strangers? No, I spend time with my friends and family. Are you an unfriendly person? No, I am friendly. Do you enjoy being with people? Yes, I do. What kind of person are you? I am friendly.